Hello everyone, in today's video we will show you Claude plus Apify setup. Connect them in minutes. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're using the Claude desktop app because this integration does not work on the web version. If you haven't installed the desktop yet, download and install it before continue. Open the Claude app on your desktop, then look for the sidebar at the top. Toggle it on if needed. Go to the customize and then click connectors at the bottom. At the top, click on add, then select browse connector. In the search bar, type Apify and search for it. Once it appears, click the plus icon and select install. If you are asked for any permission, click install again and wait for the installation to finish. Once it's installed, you will see field where you need to enter your Apify API token. Now open your browser, go to apify.com and sign into your account. After sign in, go to settings and then click API and integration at the top. Next, select create a new token. Enter a name or description for your token, then click create. Your API token will be generated successfully. Click the copy icon to copy the token. Return to the Claude app and press Ctrl+V to paste the API token in the field, then click save. Once it's saved, turn on the connector by toggle it on. Finally, restart the Claude desktop by closing and reopening it. After it launches again, go to the customize and then connectors. You will see that Apify app has been connected successfully. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.